What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. So I haven't done one of these in a while. I think it's been about 2 months since my last pickup video. If you haven't seen one of these before, I usually get into info, sizing, and where to get. To kind of help you guys out with where I get my gear, we've got about 12 items for today's video, I think. Some major value items, a little hypebeastie stuff, some cozy pieces, and kind of like a yearly reward for myself towards the end. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first up on my recent pickups list are going to be my ASOS Beanies. I haven't got a re-up on my beanies for a while now and kind of just felt like getting some new colors. If you guys haven't watched my top 10 fashion essentials video, I actually talked about these beanies. They're super affordable and cost just about 10 USD each, some even for less than that. And obviously they're a big staple in my wardrobe. If you guys would like to pick these up too, they're called the Mini Fisherman Beanie on ASOS. Colorways are dark brown, teal green, and cream. The quality on them is really decent as well. I wear mine a ton and put them through the wash too, and they're still holding up pretty well. If you guys are looking to try out the beanie look, or are just looking to pick up a new beanie in general, I'd highly recommend these. Next up, we've got another super value pickup, my winter pickups from Zara. I got this Zara shearling overshirt and this corduroy puffer vest for under 100 Singapore dollars. That is crazy. That works out to be just about 75 US dollars for them both. I was actually searching for a shearling overshirt as well and stumbled onto this piece from Zara. This shirt is gonna keep you super warm and I love the texture on it too. Something interesting and different to play around with when styling, and for under $50, I think this is an amazing pickup. Next, on to the corduroy puffer vest. This piece speaks for itself, honestly. It's so fire. This whitish cream colorway is too clean with that corduroy texture as well. This piece will keep you super toasty during the winter seasons, and again for under $50, this is a crazy steal. Now on to more brown tones. We've got this brown cap from Human Made. I'm a big Human Made fan. It's one of the Japanese brands that I still proactively watch and follow. If you're not familiar with Human Made, it was founded by Nigo, the legendary streetwear OG that also founded Bape way back. Pharrell reps this brand heavily as well. Very mature yet clean Japanese aesthetics from this brand. I was looking for a brown cap too and thought that this piece would be the perfect piece to add to my collection. Now on to some sweats. I love the Nike NRG range, Nike's more limited but cleaner range of apparel. I saw these NRG sweats in the olive grey colorway and thought that the colorway was amazing, perfect to match with your Mocha Jordan 1s. I wanted to get them super oversized as well for that big time cozy aesthetic, so I got an XL on these. Great pair of sweats for those simple, cozy fit days, and if you're into your brown tones, these are great for some easy color matching. Next up, again vibing off the brown tones, we've got the Essentials by Fear of God Polo long sleeve shirt. This is the umber colorway, and if I'm not mistaken, the batch that I got this from was one of the first to do the Polo long sleeve tee. Either that or I've never really seen it on sale prior. I've actually been liking this piece a lot more than I thought I would. It's something different to the usual Essentials offerings. Very clean piece with a nice oversized shape as well. A low-key logo in the front with something much louder in the back. Colorway is amazing once again with that brown and black. As for sizing advice, The Polo long sleeve tee does fit small. I usually get a size medium for my essentials jumpers because they fit massive, but the Polo long sleeve tee is not like that at all. I'd say go for your usual essentials tee size instead for a more accurate sizing. I should have gone a size up for these and got a size large, but this medium is pretty decent too. Now on to some homeware goods. I'm not really an avid book collector, but these were two books that I wanted to pick up for the cultural impact and for some added room aesthetics. So if you caught my room tour video, I actually featured this a little. This is Virgil's latest Something's Off book, featuring his collaboration with Nike labeled The 10. That collection was a huge moment in streetwear history, and at the time I remember being so impressed with the collection. I've never seen so many Nike models offered to a single brand at one time ever. And the fact that each model was actually designed well, this collab really catapulted Off-White and the name Virgil Abloh to the top of the streetwear world at the time. It was a really exciting time in streetwear, and this book is a great piece of collectible memory for me. Next is the Louis Vuitton Catwalk book. It doesn't actually cover much of Virgil's run at Louis Vuitton. I am going to admit that he has designed some pretty fire pieces under the house, although I haven't picked up anything from his collection. Pretty pricey. So this book is kind of like my cheaper consolation prize pickup for myself. On to my final piece of clothing for this recent pickup video. It's going to be my Stussy Nike jumper in grey. I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty sure that I overpaid for this piece, so I ended up winning the N clothing raffle. Retail price on this piece is 129 Singapore dollars, but N charged me 189 plus $30 shipping, so I basically paid almost double, which is about resale price I guess. I honestly don't like how N jacks up their retail prices secretly for their raffles. I've seen it happening all the time for their raffles, where they advertise the supposed retail price on their Instagram announcements, but when you actually log into the raffles, the prices listed are about 50 to 100% higher than retail. It's super slimy, and I'm just surprised that Nike is allowing them to slide by with this. But anyways, on to the jumper. I'm actually really happy to get my hands on this. This was from the third drop of the Stussy Nike apparel, which was my favorite drop. It's a really simple piece with Stussy's World Tour logo in the front, merged with the Nike swoosh. Super low-key piece. Fitting is similar to Nike apparel, so it has that really nice vintage Nike jumper look. I got an XL on this piece, and it fits really similar to the Nike NRG jumpers. And finally, saving my favorite pickup for last, we've got the padded tech set bag from Bottega Veneta. Now, I'm not really a bag guy. I have the Dior saddle that I use quite a bit, but lately I've been thinking about adding a white colored bag to my collection, mainly for more styling options. So I did a little bit of research online for my options, but nothing really caught my eye from the luxury houses, and I didn't really want to drop 4,000 to 5,000 for a Dior or a Louis Vuitton either. So I started looking on the Bottega Veneta web store and wasn't really interested in anything initially, but as I scrolled towards the end, I saw this grey puffer pillow looking thing, and I was like, wow, this is the coziest looking bag I've ever seen. The colorway was exactly what I was looking for too. It's in this super calm light grey colorway. Essentially, it just looks like a bag and a puffer jacket made of baby, and I loved it. The price point was much friendlier too for a luxury bag. It was less than half than the usual Bottega prices, so I was pretty much sold. It's just a really chill, soft, super cozy bag to have on you. Great proper size as well to keep everything in your pockets and more. Super interesting look to it while still being very recognizably Bottega. I don't shop luxury very much honestly, so I usually allow myself one crazy expensive purchase a year just to kind of reward myself from all the hard work last year. And yeah man, I haven't had any regrets for this Bottega at all. Once traveling and flights start being open again, this is going to be the perfect travel bag. Imagine being on a plane and having this double as a pillow. That's peak coziness, guys. And there you go, guys. That was part 3 in my recent pickup series since I've been on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know which was your favorite item on the list. As a reference, I will be putting my measurements down below. If you guys need more help with sizing, drop a comment and I'll try to get to them. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.